Hi guys, welcome back to Tactic Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to build a website with Wix ADI. Wix ADI tutorial. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now Wix ADI is basically a Wix website builder with AI that would assist you with creating your website design and even producing your website content. There's a lot of other things that you will be able to do with this. So in today's video, we will be demonstrating on how you could do and use this feature. So let's go over here in Wix.com. Now this is our default page or our home page. We will start from the beginning. So let's create a new site by simply selecting create new site over here on the top right. After that, of course, we will be redirected to another page. Now keep in mind, do not be confused with this part over here. The new editor is not the Wix ADI. So simply choose that editor that you prefer. But for me, I'm going to go with the Wix editor, the default one. And let's proceed. We're simply going to enter the information that is being asked for us. For example, we're going to create a website. Let's go with the blog website. Click on next so that we could choose the next part or see the next part. And over here, what will be called our website. Let's go with Wix ADI for now. Then click on next again so that we could start with the next part. Then over here, like the usual, choose the one that you are recommended to you. These are different features available in Wix. As you can see, there's a lot of different options over here. You can simply select the one that you want. There's recommended apps as well. And for me, I'm not going to select any so that our website will be generated much quicker. The more feature that you add, of course, the longer it's going to take to set it up. So for me, for the sake of our tutorial and for the sake of our time, I'm going to simply select the default one, which is the blog over here, and simply click on next to move on to the next page. And over here, as you can see, we have three options. We can either start setting up our website through the dashboard. You can select this. We could begin with a template wherein you will be able to see a lot of different templates available for you to choose and customize from. And you have this one, get a custom built site. Now this is the Wix ADI. This will allow us to use AI that would help us build our website. So simply select this so that we could proceed and show you how it would work. Now simply give it some time to load, of course. And over here, as you can see, we're going to wait for a few seconds. Now it depends, like I said earlier, the more apps, the more features that you have, the longer it's going to take to get things running. But as you can see over here, review and edit your info. You could add the information that you want over here. And over here, you're simply going to pick a theme that you like. Do you like minimal, indie, brushes, retro, Soho, or Spark? I'm going to go with retro. Select retro over here as an option and simply click on next. Then after that, as you can see, it's going to prepare us personalized options based on our selected theme. There we go. We have three different options over here. Simply select the one that you like the most. We have this one in the center, and this one over here. I think I like the first one, so let's click on that option, then click on next so that we could proceed to the next step. There we go. Now we could add pages to our website. Do we want some about page? Do we want our contacts, or do we want a seen in? You could select or don't select any of that. Then you can simply click on edit site. Now on the original process, you can simply start with the template right away. But as you can see here, our design is generated for us based on our preferences and output over here. And it's very simple and very easy to use. Then you can simply use it as normal. You can click on quick edit the different parts, do the normal things that you would usually do with your outputs. And the difference is the AI is the one who designed your output, and then you can simply select the one that you like. And as you can see here, it's going to give us a quick guide on how it works. And now the process or the next step is to actually create your own website. And let's put in the content you need, the typical things that you do when creating your website. You have your ad elements over here, the different types of text, the different types of images that you could have, some buttons, some strip, decorative, box, gallery, menu and anchor, and many more. Also, usually when you create a new website, there will be a pop-up that would say AI. So I'm not sure why it's not appearing on our part over here, but it's supposed to appear on your starting screen before you are able to edit anything. It will ask and mention if you want to generate content using AI. But for us, it didn't appear, so unfortunately, I can't show you that. But hopefully for you guys, when you create your website, it would appear as an option for you. And aside from that, aside from the different elements that you could add, you will be able to do the usual. You could edit the sections over here. There are more sections that are typically present compared to a normal default template. And you have also the ability to edit the site and pages, of course, the different designs, site design over here. If you're not satisfied with the design created by the AI, you could change things up with the site theme, the color theme, text theme, page background, and many more. You can also check out the Wix app market over here and many more. And aside from that, that is basically how you will be able to use, and that's basically how the Wix ADI works. And aside from that, let's actually go back to the home page and let me see if I will be able to show you guys how the AI would usually look like. So let's go back here, create on Wix editor, and actually let me show you the Wix ADI information over here, how Wix ADI elevates website creation for everyone. How it would work is that the artificial intelligence has transformed the website design by breaking the barriers of what was thought possible. And 75 of users judge a website's capability or credibility based on the design, and we were able to see that the design was easily created based on our preference, and because of that, we were able to produce amazing and professional looking website. And aside from that, Wix also, for example, provides a versatile platform. You can start with a blank canvas, work with a website template, or you could top with the artificial design, the ADI, and this is the ADI that we did. And that's basically how you will be able to do it. As you can see here, there's there's nothing too complicated on how it would work. It's a very simple process. As you can see here, we were able to see the process that we did earlier, such as the choosing of the theme, and as you can see, highly mature developed tools, highly customizable, and many more. As you can see here, very easy to create templates with a click of a button. So let's go and create another one. Let's see if I will be able to show you the thing that I was talking about, the AI generator or the content creator. Let's remove that. Click on skip for now. And let's click on get the custom build site. We're going to wait for a few seconds again. There we go. I'm not going to put any information for now. Skip. Then this time, let's go with Soho, I guess. Click on next. And I believe the next part is us choosing what our homepage or like what our website would look like. How it would use the theme as the part of the website. Here we go. It's preparing our homepage design. Keep in mind that these are all created by AI. There we go. You have three options. You have this one, and this one. Let's go with the third one. Click on next. As you can see, we will be able to easily customize the color and image. You have this one. Let's not add any of that for now. And let's simply click on edit our site. And hopefully this time it shows the create content with AI. So let's wait if it will pop up. We have our very simple output over here. Different images, different parts and categories. We didn't add any of the other things earlier. Let's see if it will pop up. I'm not sure if it's popping up, but I guess it's not going to pop up in today's video. Unfortunately, it's not going to pop up, but that is how you will be able to use the Wix ADI. Very quick and simple. It simplifies the process of creating a website. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.